Hello dear students, and now the last passage which I would like to discuss as far as the reference to the context is concerned. These are the lines which I have taken from page number 46, and let me first read out the lines to you. Perhaps if we had never left our area outside the small town, it would never have happened. We should never have been there at the cinema. She would never have found him, us, his blonde woman. I've thought of all the things that would have to be avoided if I were not to have met my father at that cinema on an afternoon before the exams. I've lived them over in my mind because I did not know how to live now that I had met him, now that I have seen not the movie I bunked swatting for, but what our own life is. Well, this is the text, and as you can guess that I'm not bothering about the identification part, that you will handle. And of course, once again, these are the lines of Shawnee, and these are not spoken to anyone, these are also the reflections. So after that, you have to provide the context of these lines. And the context of these lines is because this is the opening part, it's just page number 46. So after he has seen his father with Hannah, and he comes home, and then he is thinking about all those things which are disturbing him. He's not able to accept his father with Hannah, and after he meets his father, the way they talk, the way they exchange talks, and the way his father makes him enter into an understanding that this is going to be kept as a secret by him. Just as his father would not reveal to his mother that he is seeing him trying to come to watch the movie, and so he should also not tell his mother. It's a kind of an understanding, though nothing is mentioned openly. And then before these lines, so he's reflecting over his past, and we get to know about his father, what he was, about his entire past is revealed through the memories and thoughts of Will. Just before these lines, he recalls that sometimes we have to, cover our face with a face, meaning to say that we don't show our actual face. We wear a kind of a mask. So having a face over our face means that we have a mask and we don't want to show our real self. We hide ourselves. And he thinks that is what has exactly happened. So when they are sitting on the table, when his father is there, when he is there, something has happened which has broken that trust. Things are no longer the same. And it is an agony and it is a pain. And that is what he says before this para, as if you will read. Then you will realize that how everything has become deceptive. And things have to be hidden from his mother, from his sister. So all that he has already mentioned. And then we come to these lines. So sometimes what happens is that we feel that, things might have been better if this had not happened. So somewhere in his mind, the thought is that if they had not left their house in Benoni, the small town, though it was not such a big house, but life was more comfortable. The fact that because his father got involved in the movement and he was asked to move to another area which was in the white suburbs, it was a bigger, a better, I should say, area, and there they got a little more freedom. And that is why he could meet Hannah there, and he could even dare to take her out to the cinema and watch a movie, which he might not have been able to if his movements were restricted, if they were in the small town. Because when they were living in those segregated areas, they had to carry passbooks, and they didn't have all that freedom of interaction. And he recalls all that past with fondness. Somewhere even earlier he has said, even later he says, that life was much better when they were small kids, when they were living in that area. So somewhere all these thoughts are connected. And maybe if they were living there, then this white woman, that is his father's blonde woman, that is Hannah, would never have found his father. And then all this trouble would not have started. So more than his father's involvement in the movement, the son is more disturbed and agitated because of his father's relationship with Hannah. And that is what is being described in the lines. And he says that all these thoughts are continuously, coming to him. He has lived all that again and again in his mind. And he says that now he does not know what to do because he had already encountered those things. He has seen it. And more than what happened, he had gone with the motive of bunking his classes. He had worked hard to watch this movie. But better than the movie, I should not be using the word better. Actually, he might have enjoyed the movie had he really got a chance to see it. But movie is only for entertainment. But what more than the movie, what life has shown him is their own life. And that is the life which is now changing after he has seen his father with Hannah. And in this way, you can explain these lines. The context I have already told you. And this is, of course, the beginning of the story. And you may also mention that he is in a stage of adolescence, and how it is all a shock, how it is disturbing, and how it changes his life. And all that can be mentioned because this is the initial part of the story. And with this, I think we can close the comments on this portion. But I would now like to tell you that when it comes to RTC, the entire novel is very important. And maybe if you feel like I have chosen 2 speeches of Sonny, as you have seen in the earlier passages, and 2 reflections of Will. But there are many instances in the story which are important, and connected to them are the different reference to the context. And if we look at the sub-theme of the love relation between Sonny and Hannah, then there are many passages and portions which speak about their love, what she feels for him, what he feels for her. So there are those passages. Then there are also portions where if you look at family and marriage, then there is one part when Ayla has come back the first time after she has met Baby, and she is telling Sonny that Baby has got married. Then we see Sonny's comments about marriage. He says that since she has become a revolutionary, he feels that marriage is not suitable now, because marriage has its own demands and revolution has its own demands. And in that way, his views on marriage are now different. What they were earlier and now what they are later. So even that part is important. So like that, I'm trying to provide you a hint as to what are the other portions in the novel which could be important, which you could take a look at and prepare. And I would definitely expect that you will read the novel at least once, so that you are familiar and can tackle any passage from this novel. My best wishes with you, dear students. Thank you.